Alright, so, I just, hopefully it's easy to hear. I noticed today my Bryant was making some really odd sound when I walked out here. And it's always been buzzing like this, but, I had never heard it make this sound, so listen. Sounds pretty off. This thing gets pretty overgrown pretty easily too. Doing a good job though. But yeah. There's a new carrier running right there. And so something happened with the neighbors, so I might not get a video of the startup until a little later, but I do have one startup of it, but startup shutdown's not coming for a while. But yeah, I just wanted to make a video on the sound of my Bryant because it sounds off. This is a normal video of it running though, but it sounds weird. It's like 10:45 in the morning right now, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out.